We will now explain to you why Tabby must not exist. Well, first off, she has been bullying too much innocent people at school and all around the neighborhood, as well as forcing them to do what she told them to do. That's called being entitled. I wish we can defeat her completely. Speaking of defeat, we will plan new mini-games for the fall, so check it out.
Coming right now, the Fall Minigames. There will be 13 players who are participating in the Fall Minigames. Plus, at the end of 5 volumes, kinda like rated to the socially videos, 1 or more players will be eliminated with the lowest scores before the start of 5 more episodes. And the eliminated location will be the building. Plus, the last 2 players who finished all games without being eliminated will win a special prize. Also, Volume 1 will start now, because of the players needing to get rid of Tabby. Volume 1B will come out on whenever day it is. Start Volume 1 now.
Welcome to Fall Minigames. I'm Compass, and today in Volume 1A, players will participate in mini-games for a chance to win. At the end of 5 volumes, some players with the lowest scores will be eliminated. Like I said earlier before the trailer, you will have 90 seconds to defeat Tabby. After you guys finished, I will put her in this house, which is located right there. First I need 2 players. On Volume 1B, all players will compete. So, which 2 of you would like to fight?
Me.
And me.
Alright, come up you 2. Tell me what your names.
Jupiter.
Atlas.
Welcome you guys. You will defeat Tabby in 90 seconds, which is located on my side. Once your 90 seconds is up or the time pauses, I will take her into this house. You got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Alright, your game starts now.
Prepare to die, you dumbass.
You think you can defeat me? I don't think so, losers.
You'll see about that.
Ouch. Take this, you punks.
Ruff.
At least it didn't hit me.
How does it feel for you to be sick, huh? Now it's time to finish you.
Aw man.
There. That should teach her a lesson.
Hi players, how did you do? Oh god. She is defeated. Now to take her to the house. You guys can go back. You will be locked up since neighbors said that you don't exist. Stay there and don't come out.
Stay tuned. Volume 1B of Fall Minigames coming in whichever day.